last video in the reassembly of the MASH Stihl 038. Again, this is from Old Iron in North Carolina, original Stihl parts. Part number 1117664-100, and my mechanic in training is going to install this. Each of those studs has a shoulder, and that'll set up on the shoulder. Like that, and your fastener goes right there. And your screwdriver should be on the same plane as the bar stud as you run that in, and gently do it with your fingertips. You're doing real good. Yeah, that looks real nice. Alright, we're completely reassembled. We have a functioning chain brake. Made mention in the last video on the master control lever on the Stihl. I think they're still doing them this way. This is your on and off switch. It's your choke, and it's your fast idle. All of that. That's the master control. This saw is produced in the early 80s. It's, I think, still produced and sold in South America. It's not sold here in the U.S. It's marketed as the MS381, 380, and maybe a 382. But this is actually an 038 Magnum. It's a German made. This one was produced in 1983, I believe, and had a tree on it. And we replaced the chain brake flag, the handlebar, airbox cover, and gas tank. You notice it has the new model flip cap on the tank. And it just got the regular thread in on the oil cap. Of course, you have to change out the crankcase on that. But this is a West Germany Stihl. And we've put her all back together. I guess the next video we will run it. I gave reference to a minute ago about saving your hardware. This is what I'm talking about. Anytime you work on a saw, don't throw this stuff away. You got vent tubes, screws, chain adjusters, various odds and ends, bar studs. Save all this stuff. Don't throw it away. Don't pitch it, because you can't never tell when you need it. All this stuff came in really handy when we were reassembling this saw. Thank you for watching.